Hey guys, today we got a fiberglass top. It's a cab high by Century. Fits the 04 to 06 Toyota Tundra double cab with the 6.5 foot bed. So a decent unit. So it's charcoal gray in color. Doesn't have a lot of major damage. There's some paint issues. Top in the front, or the top and the sides here look really good. Not seeing a lot of damage on here. Front edge looks really good. Get to the bottom down here. Looks like we got a scuff. We got a scratch right there. Small little scratch right there. Little paint chip on the bottom. Couple of scratches right down there. On the bottom edge right there. There's a couple of little paint blemishes right there, little speckles in the paint. And down across the bottom here, the same speckles again. And a little bit of paint damage on the bottom edge. Probably been set down on the ground without any rails protecting the bottom of it. Doesn't look bad from a distance, but when you get up on it, you'll see those paint issues. It does have the third side sliders, typical for Century top. The front has the sliding front window in it. It's pretty good on the front edge here. A little bit of chips up in there on the top. Front edge looks pretty good through the center, and then you get over here to the side. It's got some chips on the paint and some scratches right in there. Side looks pretty good. Not seeing much damage on here. The front edge pretty good. No damage that I can see through there. Like the front window slides open so you can access the bed from the cab. The side looks pretty good. The top and the top side edge here, not seeing much damage on that. Go down the side here, looks really good. And you get a couple, there's a scratch right there, a couple chips on the back side, on the back side, on the corner there. One right there, right there. There it is. Other than that doesn't look too bad. Looks like there's I guess it's not. The rest of it, the bottom edge looks pretty good over here on this side. A little bit of a corner rounded, but that really doesn't look too bad. The biggest thing on this side is the third side slider. The back panel looks like it's been replaced by the previous owner with a piece of plexiglass. Seems to work fine, slides open, but it's just not glass, and it looks like it's not glass, as you can see. Rear door, it's a double T handle rear door. Double T handle locking door. The inside is just bare fiberglass. You can see the window on this side is plexiglass, and this could be replaced if you wanted to spend the money. Buy a new window from Lear, you can get one, or Century, but that'd be up to you if you wanted to invest in that, or just leave it with the plexiglass. This side has sliding windows on this side as well. Has the screen in it. No damage on the screen. A little bit of a hole right there in the center. Really screen. Oh, yeah, there's one hole down here in the corner. You didn't see that. Hole down there in the corner. But other than that, it looks really good. Here's the serial number to this unit. So it's a NU, which is an Ultra Sport, which means it's an Ultra Sport, so that's NUS. The Toyota 04 to 06 Tundra. Okay, so there it is. It's a cab high, Century Ultra, charcoal gray. It's the 04 to 06 Toyota Tundra, the double cab with a 6.5 foot short bed. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, find out which location it is, how much it is, pay for it purchase it online if you'd like. make arrangements to pick it up. There's also a link below to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, things like that, those all can be purchased online as well. As with all our tops, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick them up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.